you have to do slanting line. Okay, first you have to do slanting line, then do small curve, then do straight line, and do straight line and come down. From here you have to do again small curve, then go up, touch here, and then from here you have to do small curve. Okay, understood? This is our cursive F. I show you here how to write it. Okay, in cursive letter I always say that from here, from blue line you have to start. Okay, so from here we have to start, do slanting line and go up to red line. Okay, understood? Then do small curve, then come down, do straight line up to this red line. Okay, understood? Then do small curve, then go up and touch here, and from here you have to do small curve and touch here. This is our cursive F. Again I write here. From here we have to start, do slanting line, then do curve, then do straight line, then again do small curve, then come here, and from here we have to do small curve. See, this is our cursive F. Now just I show here how. So I teach you again how to write A. Do small curve, then go up, then do small curve, then come back with the same line and do C curve, and then join here, and then come down with the same line and again do curve. This is our A. After A, what will come? B. Do slanting line and do up to red line, then do curve, then do straight line, and then D curve, and then again here you do small curve. This is our cursive B. B after what will come? C. Do small curve, then go up, and then again come back with the same line and do C curve. That means C. A, B, C. Then after what will come? D. Do small curve, then go up, come back to the same line and do C curve, then go up and up to red line you have to go up here, and then come down the same line and do small curve. A, B, C, D. Then I want to write here E, because here for F, here no space here. For F there is no space here. That's why I write here. Okay. So A, B, C, D, then E. Do slanting line and then do C curve, E, then F. Do straight slanting line, then small curve, then come down, do straight line, down up to red line. Okay, then again do small curve, then come back with the come up from here up to here, and then from here you have to do small curve and touch here. Understood? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, again I repeat it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Another way also you can say that A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, fish. Okay. Again I repeat it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So now we have to write in book. So from here we have to start. Okay. So do slanting line up to red line, then do curve, then do straight line up to this red line, then again do small curve, go up, touch here, and then from here you have to do small curve. This is our small cursive F. Again do slanting line up to red line, then do small curve, then do straight line, then after again you do small curve and go up and touch here, and from here you have to do small curve. This is our small F. Now I write here A, B, what will come next? C, then after what will come? Can you say? What will come next? D. After D what will come? E. After E what will come? F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Dear children, this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. You have to complete your homework. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.